So today we're working on graphing. There's two versions of the graphing page. So if your page does not look like this one, then you can watch the other video instead. Graphing. Number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to answer or record the numbers for this and then answer these questions down here. The first one is a shot. Shot. How many shots are there? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shots. We're going to put 5 there.
5.
Our next word is hospital. Hospital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7.
7.
Our next word is card. Card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Next, janitor. Janitor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six.
And last, we have doctor. 1, 2, 3. 3 doctors.
3.
All right, so now we're going to use these to answer these questions. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? Janitor, hospital, shot. So which of these words has the most? Janitor has 6, hospital has 7, shot has 5. So is it 6, 7, or 5? Janitor, hospital, or shot? The answer is hospital.
Hospital.
Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? The fewest. Card, shot, or doctor? Card has 5, shot has 5, doctor has 3. Which one has the least amount? Doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor only has 3. Number 3, what is the highest number? 7, 5, 6. Which one is the highest? 7, 5, or 6? The answer is 7.
7.
7 is our highest number. Number 4. What is the lowest number? The lowest. 6, 5, or 3? The lowest number is 3.
3.
And our last one. Do any words have the same number? Yes or no? So let's look, actually. We scroll up. Wrong way. Are any of these the same? We have 5, 7, 5, 6, 3. You see any numbers that are the same? Yes, 5 is the same. I'm going to scroll down and say yes.
Yes.